We'll guide you through how to create a Trello roadmap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new board specifically for your roadmap. To do this, click on the Create New Board button usually found in your dashboard. Give your board a descriptive name like Project Roadmap to make it easily identifiable. Now, the key to a successful roadmap is organizing your cards into lists that represent different stages or milestones of your project. You can start by adding lists such as Backlog, In Progress, Testing, and Completed. Click on Add a List to create each of these categories on your board. Once your lists are set up, you can start adding cards. Each card will represent a task or feature in your project. Click on Add a Card under the appropriate list and give it a clear title and description. You can also set due dates, assign team members, and add labels for better organization. If your roadmap involves multiple phases, consider using colored labels to represent each phase, like Phase 1 or Phase 2. This way, you can visually track the progress and see which phase each card belongs to. If you have team members collaborating with you, you can invite them to the board by clicking on Invite in the menu to the right. Share the board link or invite them via email. To further enhance your roadmap, explore Trello's power-ups. These are integrations that can add additional functionality to your board, like calendar views or time tracking. You can find power-ups in the menu on the right side of your board. Finally, remember to regularly update your board and move cards as tasks progress. This keeps your roadmap accurate and your team informed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.